If you look at the dimensions of this room and you look at the width of the room and you're on a plan on the website, it just looks like one room. And when you come into this house and you feel the space that you've got a complete room with French doors that's about the size of a lounge. Obviously this stunning bespoke divider just makes it really quite private but open at the same time. And it's just a dining table that fits 6 with plenty of circulation space. And then you can sit at your kitchen and the expanse of the kitchen again. Imagine how lucky a person you are if you get to work in this room. If you're thinking about using this for your workspace, there's the option if you want to have some doors on here. So if you want to keep it completely private, you could put the doors, we can put the doors on it for you. And also looking at your bespoke divider, you could do the same thing here. You could have a little bit of a divider if you wanted to make it a bit open but narrower. Imagine you bring your customers and they come in and you're commissioning your work and you've got a space to work like this. Have a look at the size of this garden. That is absolutely incredible. And on this development here at Low Conscliffe, the gardens are larger than the norm. Real luxury, sumptuous show homes to show our customers when they come in so that they can get a feel for what Robertson Homes actually does. It's fantastic.